So it ends here, starts here.
Okay.
Is this thing on?
Lights on.
Say hi.
Hello.
You're there.
You're doing good, man.
Yeah.
No, you're doing good. You're doing okay.
He's doing fine.
For not really riding dirt.
Oh, he's a pro, man. He rides dirt all the time.
Visualizing.
Yeah!
I'm gonna throw up soon. This one right here is gonna make me throw up. I'm gonna throw up. Yeah, I'm gonna throw up. My balls hurt really bad. Am I kicking your ass?
You are kicking my ass. Attaboy. Yep, rev her up. Beautiful. You're kicking my ass, dude.
I know. Shut up.
Woo! Man, you are fucking just AMA pro, man. Oh, baby. Oh, shit.
We're almost to the end though, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're almost to the end.
Oh, thank God.
Yep.
No rest.
I'm gonna throw up. This one right here is gonna make me throw up.
Yeah, we've lost the KP in there.
That's gonna get better every time, I can tell.
Yeah, get it out of there.
Oh shit. Yeah, I wouldn't step.
I'm gonna throw up.
You tired?
I'm fucking dying.
Oh. That's a nice way to take a rest. All you had to do is say if you wanted to rest.
I feel like I just got kicked in my solar plexus.
Who cares? Huh? Lift that thing out of there. Here, dude. Pull that fucking thing out of there, piece of shit. Like that. Keep the front end up out of the mud. Start it.
It's gonna slide in.
Yeah. There you go.
Rear end's the hard part.
No.
Oh, you're getting there.
I almost broke my kneecap backwards back there on the wall.
There you go. The Shermans.
Yeah, the Shermans.
Get her running. Come on. Let's go.
I could do this course in like 10 minutes, but it just takes a couple times to get used to, you know?
Yeah.
I'm calling bullshit. Who are you? It became a lot harder.
After your second lap.
This is my favorite part.
Oh, God.
Back of the leg?
No, right in the ankle. Sounds like it needs a service.
Come on. All right. Come on, badass. All right.
Trash is big!
Come on, Brandon.
I'm really done, man.
You're doing great. Own that shit.
I'm not dying.
Not tired yet? That's good. Come on, what are you doing? Ride that shit. Hey, no brakes, man.
They wear cuffs.
No brakes.
Motocross people wear cuffs.
No, they don't. That's just fucking beautiful. It's a good thing you don't get tired. Don't let him get away.
What?
Don't let him get away. You're doing good, Brandon. Yeah, just like Larry. You got a little more energy than Larry does.
It's making you believe.
Hey, dude, I'm blown away.
Double the bet, you know?
Yeah, dude.
And then I'll take it for all you got.
Yeah. Well, that's a good idea. We'll race for pinks next time.
Oh, God. Oh. Oh, shit.
I think J-Mo's going to enjoy this video.
Nobody's going to see this thing. Yeah, bitches! My balls hurt really bad.
Oh, shit.
No!
Come on, baller. Wheelie that shit up.
I usually do. I'm so afraid.
Try it again.
I need a head start.
Right over it.
Don't go around. You can go over it.
Yeah, you just got to get a little run at it, and then just pop the clutch and get up and over.
Oh, that's it?
That's it.
Doesn't have to be pretty, you just got to get over. Don't go around.
Oh my God.
I'm not sure if this is
Dizzy, man.
not sure if this is sad or funny.
This will be good.
Push it over.
Ah! Did you put fucking oil on the top of this?
No. You're supposed to ride over the log.
Yeah, there's kind of booby trap. We warned you. You're doing good, man.
Yeah.
No, you're
Well,
you're doing good.
I'm kicking ass.
Actually, he's doing okay. For the
He's
first
doing
time.
fine.
For not really riding dirt.
Oh, he's a pro, man. He rides dirt all the time.
Yeah.
All right, turn it around, try it again. You haven't got to the fun part yet. Third or fourth time's the charm here. There we go.
Track ain't shit.
All right. Atta boy.
I'm gonna throw up soon.
Go ahead. You'll feel better. Yeah.
Come on, pump.
Come on, Brandon. Come on, over the top, bitch.
Is that camera on?
Yes, it is.
Because I almost died. I'm not going to be able to look around tomorrow.
Wheelie up on it.
What?
Wheelie up on it. Get on the bike.
What?
Get on the bike so it gets traction. I love this shit.
Son of a... There's no neutral, man.
You don't need neutral. Would be best if you actually wheelied up onto it. Works a lot better.
I can't.
Yeah, you can.
I'm trying. What am I doing wrong?
I suck at this obstacle,
Yep, kind of like that. Well, you're almost to the end.
If only just begun.
You and that bike are getting along great.
Dude, that bike's almost as old as
What's
he is.
over here?
A cheater way.
That's where Sherman goes because he's a fucking cheater.
Yeah, don't go that way.
I don't like cheaters. He's gonna be a sore motherfucker.
Especially after the second lap.
Oh, he ain't doing no second lap. He's done. My feet are sore from standing around.
Visualizing. Yeah!
There you go.
Awesome! Shit! That's awesome.
That's freaking perfect. I like that. At least you committed. All right. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Oh shit. Love it. Yeah, baby.